welcome to the Ride Okie YouTube channel. My name's Logan. This is my brand new Z125 that I just now bought. It's 2021. It has 1,400 kilometers on it. It's bone stock. And what I'm doing now is I'm starting a series where hopefully I can upload every maybe 2 weeks, every 3 weeks or something like that, and show my progress on a couple things. One, this bike, I want to make it an absolute track monster out here for the go-kart tracks in Okinawa. And then also, I want to improve my track riding as well. I've only been out a few times on my little YZ80, and that's a two-stroke, and I have zero idea how to ride a two-stroke. NANI?! As I figured out. So, before I can take this thing on the track, there's a few things that I want to do, and I would like to show you guys what I'm doing. So let's get into it. I guess, so I got a lot of my stuff in the mail. Mainly going to be protection and tires. Tires are going to be a big thing because obviously these stock tires aren't going to be doing great for track riding. They're just not made for it. So what I have here are Dunlop TT93 GP Pros. Those are going to be awesome. And I got some axle sliders, handlebars, grips, groove sets, stuff like that. I was going to do a baseline for how the bike is right now, but I don't think that's really necessary because if you're buying this for the track, you kind of should already have an idea of like what works and what doesn't work on the track and how to ride. I'm going to just throw this stuff on without doing any real performance upgrades, and then when I get into performance upgrades, I'll run with this baseline compared to that. That way it'll be on equal playing field. Enough talk, we have a track day in like 2 hours, and I'm going to be rushing to get all this done. So for a couple days after the track day, and the bike felt great, the tires felt great, the axle sliders did their job on the one time that I low-sided, and it was ultimately just a good day. It was substantially better than when I was taking my YZ80 out, mostly because, like I said before, it's two-stroke, and I have zero experience with two-strokes besides trying to figure it out on a go-kart track, which is already pretty difficult. So having a four-stroke, something that I'm familiar with, really helped. And so I think I was averaging about 30 seconds a lap, which is slow for that track. I think 25, 26 seconds is fast for that track, based off my buddy's lap times. So hopefully I'll get there with some of the other mods I'll be doing. I still have to put on the rear sets, handlebars, grips, exhaust. I have a bunch of stuff coming in. I want to change the gearing on this bike as well, so it'll have a little bit more torque for those really tight technical tracks like what you saw in the video. Other than that, I mean, yeah, I think it went really well. And I'm excited to show you guys what I'm going to do to this bike, and moving forward, hopefully watch me improve. If you watch this video through its entirety, that maybe this inspired you to get something mini to go on the track and just improve your riding in general, because everyone has something they can improve on. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And if you don't mind, give me a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.